fractions. Madali lang yan. Just don't forget this technique. It's KCF or keep, change, and flip. And then after doing this, apply the rule on how to multiply fractions. But first, what is keep, what is change, and then what is flip? Keep means keep the first fraction, meaning you will just copy. Then change division to multiplication. So instead of doing division directly to a numerator to numerator or denominator to the denominator, what you need to do is to multiply them. Okay, and then the last one is flip. You have to flip the second fraction or what we call reciprocal. In this example, dividing two fractions. Example, 2/5 divided by 1/4. So KCF, apply K, copy 2/5, change or then change divide to multiplication, and then flip 1/4, that will be 4/1. And then let's now apply the rule on how to multiply fractions. So it's numerator times numerator and then denominator times denominator. So we will have 2 times 4 and 5 times 1. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 and 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So our answer is 8/5. But we can convert it into a mixed number. So our answer would be 1 and 3/5. Next, dividing whole number by a fraction. So just like what I said before, every whole number has a denominator of 1. So 16 can be written as 16/1. So it will be a fraction. And then change divide to times and then flip 4/5, that will become 5/4. We will have 16 times 5 and 1 times 4. We may apply cancellation. So 16 will become 4 and then 4 will become 1. Okay? Then multiply. 4 times 5 will give you 20 and then 1 times 1 will give you 1. And our answer is 20/1, but you can just write it as a whole number 20. That's the answer. Next, how about if we divide mixed number by a fraction? So, first thing that you need to do is to convert the mixed number into a improper fraction. So, 2 and 1/4 can be written as an improper fraction 9/4. So, that's it. And then, change divide to times. Flip 3/5. It will give you 5/3. And then, what you need to do now is to multiply. So, 9 times 5. And then, 4 times 3. Okay? So, as you can see, you can apply cancellation. 9 will become 3, and then 3 will become 1. Okay. And then, let's multiply now the numerators. 3 times 5 will give you 15, and 4 times 1, it will give you 4. So, our answer will be 15/4. Or, it can be written as a mixed number 3 and 3/4. That's it. Madali, di ba? Let's have dividing mixed number by a mixed number. So what we can do first is to change all of these mixed numbers into improper fraction before we apply KCF. Do not forget that. So 4 and 1/2, it can be written as 9/2 in improper fraction. And 2 and 1/3, it can be written as 7/3 as an improper fraction. Once you have that, you may now apply the KCF technique. Okay? K, 9/2, so just copy. Then C, change divide to times. And then flip the second fraction, which is 7/3. It will be written as 3/7. And then now, apply the rules on how to multiply fractions. So 9 times 3 in the numerator, and then 2 times 7 in the denominator. Our numerator will be 9 times 3, it will give us 27, and then 2 times 7, it will give us 14. So our answer will be 27/14, or it can be written as a mixed number that is 1 and 13/14. Okay, madali rin, di ba? So how do we divide fractions again? Do not forget this technique. KCF. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction. Then apply the rule on how to multiply fractions. Madali lang naman matutunan. Share mo rin sa iba para may matutunan sila. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.